Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious bean stew with fried plantain. Let's get started. I have these ripe plantains. I'll peel it and cut it into the shapes that I want, and afterwards I'll clean it before I fry it. Plantain is a popular food in Ghana. A lot of people eat it just like that, or they add groundnut or bean stew to it. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With this channel, you always get the best of recipes. My old subscribers, I'm always grateful for the support that have been given to this channel, and I wish to always see your comments in the comment section below. I'll be listing the ingredients that I'll be using for my bean stew in the description box below. After peeling, I add some salt into water, and I'll add my plantains into it. I just want it to have this little salt taste in it, but you may choose to fry yours without adding salt into it. I'll then take everything and put it in a separate bowl, and I'll add some mixed spice that I prepared myself. I have a video on how I made this spice. I'll use my hand to mix everything together. Then after that, I'll take it out to my compound where I'll be doing the frying. So I'm having my beans being cooked here. So this is another saucepan that I've just placed on fire, and I'll be making my stew in it. So I've added some chopped tomatoes, onions and garlic into it. I also have this pan here, to which I added some palm oil, and I'm frying my plantain in it. I'll keep on turning the plantain so that it won't get burnt. I'll be adding some tomato paste to my stew, and I'm using Pomo tomato paste. You can use any of your choice. I'm adding fish powder, salt, stock cube, nutmeg and mixed spice, and I'll give it a quick stir for it to mix uniformly. I'll then add my cooked beans into my stew, and I'll make sure that everything is combined well. With bean stew, a lot of people love it. You see my plantain here, and my bean sauce or stew is ready to be served. I'll enjoy this with the rest of the family. Have a wonderful time ahead. Bye.